Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to remove credit card account from TikTok. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to remove the credit card that you added in your TikTok account here, or the card that you have right now, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access the TikTok app here and basically go to your profile by clicking on your profile at the bottom right. Now go and click on the three bar icon at the top right. Go and click on balance. Now inside balance, you want to go and just select your current balance here, and you should see your live rewards. Go and select your live rewards, and you should see two options. You have exchange and withdraw. So you want to go and just click on the withdraw option here, and you should be able to see the following pages. Now the next page, this is what you should be seeing. You should be able to see your current payment method, so you can go and click on manage at the top right of your screen. Now on the next page, you should see your manage payment method page. You should see all the payments you currently have right now. So go and choose the payment method that you may want to edit or remove. Now once you've selected that, you should be able to see the delete option that you see at the very bottom of your screen. Go and click on delete, and that should remove the payment method from your account. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.